Press that.
I did. So how you zoom it now? Can you continue to zoom? No, you can't zoom anymore.
Oh,
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you should be able to do this.
Look at you, you're getting close,
Oh,
Mr. John, Elton John.
Yeah.
Oh boy, you really look like Sir Elton did. Just on the glasses.
Your candle blew out long before you let you never did.
Okay. Now I got these. You're Sir now.
Sir Elton.
You're Sir Alan.
Sir Alan. But I'm not married to a dude.
That's good.
That's great that you can shoot that.
Yeah.
We are in Old Town Portsmouth on Court Street. It's July 1st,
Yeah.
2011.
We're trying out the camera first time.
Yeah. We got a Canon Rebel
Rebel.
T2i with the optional 55 to 250 millimeter image stabilized zoom. I need stabilization. Can you stabilize me?
Okay.
I'm unstable.
All right. We'll get the tripod so you'll be stable there.
There you go.
So zoom. Zoom.
Come on and zoom.
Take those glasses off. Let me see those beautiful eyes. Let me see. Now you're not Elton anymore, there you go.
Oh,
You're you.
wish I still had his money.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.